Hey guys, welcome to my channel with another video. So today I was craving a lot of craving for biryani and thought to make one at home itself rather than getting it from outside. So I'm basically put up in Bangalore and was craving more of Calcutta sort of style of biryani. So the one I make at home is pretty simple and easy to cook, and it somehow quench my craving as well. So let's get on the video. So a lot of people ask me the kind of masala I use for making my own biryani. So I usually don't prefer to buy the ready-made masalas that you get outside in any of the outlets. This is my own secret masala that I like to prepare at home itself. So if you guys want to know, please do comment down below and I'm gonna share with you all. now comes the important part of the biryani recipe, that is the layering of the biryani. Make sure you don't miss out any of the ingredients here. This will enhance the taste of the biryani much more. Recipe was pretty quick and simple, and I didn't have the time to shoot everything in details. So if you guys want to know the complete recipe of it, please do comment down below and let me know. And also I'll be back with another video pretty soon. Until then, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. This point, it looks so amazing and it smells so good. I wish you guys could have smelled this. this is the final outcome of it, and it smells so good and it tastes yum. So if you guys like the video, please share your thoughts, comment down below, and like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll be back with another video pretty soon.